How to wear multiple hairs on Roblox. Hi everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video presentation I'll discuss on how to wear multiple hairs on Roblox. To learn how to combine or blend hair using a specific device, start by opening your favorite web browser and visiting roblox.com in the search bar. Make sure that you're logged into your Roblox account and tap on Continue in the browser, then tap on three dots and select Desktop Site if you're using a mobile device, and simply go to your profile if you're using the PC version. Next, go to the Avatar section, then choose any hair you like, and then tap and hold on the hair you wish to blend. Copy the link address, go to Advanced, hold down the Assist ID, paste the link, and save. Remember not to use 3D items when blending the head, and once done, tap and hold on the accessories, tap on the face, hold down the desired hair, copy the link address, go to Advanced, paste the link, and save. Repeat this process if you want to add more face accessories. So this tutorial is mainly for the mobile users. If you're using a laptop or a PC, go to roblox.com, log in, and follow the same steps. For iPhone and iPad users, visit roblox.com, log in, tap to continue in the browser, select a Request Desktop Site, and proceed with the steps. That's all about how you can wear multiple hairs on Roblox. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.